The Adventures of Ruby. Now for breakfast she has some, let's have a look.
Nothing.
It's porridge. It's oats and milk. It's in our dish. And she loves it. Who knew that she loved it?
Who knew that she'd like going
She's moving the spoon so she can get some more. It's very funny, this bird. She makes us laugh. Dun, 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 dun.
And that's all, folks.
Who knew that birds like oats? What was it? You had some good sound effects. What were they? No, it was dun dun dun. Ruby eats porridge. Dun dun dun. She's so funny. We don't know what she's going to do. Every day is an adventure with Ruby. Gustosa, Ruby. Hey? She's not going to talk to me. You like it? Yummy, yummy? Yummy, yummy? Eh? When you talk, don't go in the film. Yummy, yummy? Yummy?
I think it is yummy.
Yummy, yummy? She's molting again. Usually she says something. She loves it.
She can't stop.
She loves milk and water there. There's a bit of water mixed in there. Thank you, Sol. Yummy, Ruby. Yummy? Oh, we found a new favourite food for Ruby. Funny girl. Gustosa, there, girl. Alright, we'll check back what you're doing.